Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V60 Lite, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with finding the iManager, and this app is pre-installed on your device. It is provided by the developer, so for sure you've got one. If it is not on the home page, just open the list of apps and try to find it right here, and then tap on it. Right here, we've got something called security scan, so just tap on it. And now let your device scan itself in order to find any kind of malware, any kind of viruses. Of course, it might take a little bit longer if you've got more apps, etc. However, just wait, be patient, and after the full scan, your device will show you the results. In my case, everything is alright. However, if your device will find any kind of malware, any kind of viruses, any kind of problems actually, it will show you relevant information and it will lead you through the steps thanks to which you can get rid of the risk. Here, of course, you've got also scan results, so you can check what has been scanned and what has been detected. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.